Hi, this is me, Son to Die. Yes, in the future, I know. So cool, but, you know, with this foil, I'm telling you right now, ever since this came out in 2034, yeah, I just feel great. Until they, you know, try foil. So, yes, it's not a joke. Hello. Oh.
What are you doing?
I happen to be, I'm making a video, but it's like a nature time, but like, you know, in the future. So, yeah.
That's pretty hot.
Yeah, I know. I feel like I'm really hot. Okay. Well. Oh. That's actually some good looking water, actually. Wait. I'm gonna drink this water right here. This is some good looking water. You see that water right there?
Yeah.
So, this water right here, it's beautiful. Oh, feels nice and clean. We're gonna try it out. That's pretty good water. I did drink that water, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I don't know if I got a good shot, but I did drink that water.
Your robe's falling
Oh,
off.
it's part of the style. It's part of the style.
It's just snaky style?
Yeah. Okay, well thank you.
Yep.
I'm gonna get on with my adventure. This tree right here was recently cut down, so I'm gonna tell you right now, I could fix that. I will make it grow back. Okay. 3, 2, 1, snap, boom. Look at that, brand spanking new tree. That's the power of the future right there. That's the power of the future. And so, I'll tell you that right now. See, the power of the future. Everyone's like, oh, it's so easy. You know, anyone could do it. No, not anyone. I've trained several decades of my life. See, the suit's not. See, the suit's what makes it work. So if I don't have the suit on, then I will not be able to conduct my things. Here is me, and there is the tree. Me ending with 3 on there, so I'm gonna be like 1, 2, and once I say 3, I will be on that tree. Okay? So let me just make sure all my suit gear is on and ready to go. Okay. 1, 2, 3. I teleported. I tell you, I teleported. It's part of the future. This is my trusty sidekick, Jacavius. Will be able to transport all the way up there, just using the hat. On the count of 3, okay? Okay. 3, 2, 1. I'm telling you, folks, I can't make this up. I cannot make this up. This is just the power of the hat. Eat food and stay clean. Have a wonderful day.